Sabrent's Rocket NVMe SSDs come in capacities from 256 GB all the way up to 2 TB using Toshiba's BICS TLC 3D NAND technology for speeds of up to 3,450 megabytes per second read and 3,000 megabytes per second write. Rocket SSDs feature an over-provision area, advanced wear leveling, and lower power consumption compared to traditional storage media, making the Rocket a cost-effective way to expand your PC's storage performance. Sabrent measures drive performance using freely available tools like Crystal Diskmark so that you can test their performance claims for yourself and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with the truth in advertising. Thanks to its standard M.2 form factor, you can use them with Sabrent's USB NVMe enclosure, small form factor PCs, or literally anywhere you can find a PCIe Express M-keyed M.2 slot. Just insert the pins, screw it down, and you're good to go. Pick one up today.
Hi everyone, I'm Kevin, and today I'm super excited to announce our brand new 4th Series MP600 M.2 NVMe SSD. It's one of our first SSDs to utilize PCIe Gen 4. PCI Express is one of the fastest interconnects possible in your computer, and with PCIe Gen 4, it doubles the speed of PCIe Gen 3, going up to 16 gigatransfers per second per lane, and our new MP600 takes full advantage of that extra bandwidth. With our MP600, you can expect sequential read speeds up to 4,950 megabytes per second, and sequential write speeds up to 4,250 megabytes per second. And while you'll get the best performance out of a PCIe Gen 4 system, it is backwards compatible, so you can still expect high speeds on current PCIe Gen 3 systems. With its M.2 form factor, the MP600 is simple to install and will help keep your build looking clean. The MP600 utilizes 3D TLC NAND memory, which means you're getting the best balance between performance, reliability, and value. Now, while M.2 drives are hugely popular, the drawback of some drives out there is thermal throttling, which is why the MP600 has its own dedicated heatsink that will keep it cool under heavy load, ensuring consistently fast performance. Whether you're building an entirely new PC around PCIe Gen 4 and you want to take advantage of all that extra bandwidth, or you're just in the market for an incredibly fast storage solution with some future-proofing for your current rig, the MP600 is an excellent choice. The MP600 is available in 500GB, 1TB, and 2TB capacity.
The moment of creation is a form of magic, where an off becomes an on, a 0 becomes a 1, then another, and another, until, deep in the complexity, you discover order, speed, reliability, power. Experience the WD Black NVMe SSD. Fueled by darkness. Level up to NVMe SSD performance.